Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the gear and your phone. Make sure the AirPods Max have at least 20% charge because low battery can interrupt Bluetooth setup. On your Android, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and turn it on. Keep the screen awake so the device stays discoverable. Once done, press and hold the noise control button on the right ear cup until the LED flashes white. This forces pairing mode so your phone can find the headphones. Now connect from Android. Watch the Bluetooth scan and tap AirPods Max when it appears in the list. You'll sometimes see a brief confirmation prompt. Accept it so the devices exchange pairing keys. If your phone asks for nearby device or location permission, allow it. Android requires that for some Bluetooth discovery functions. Once paired, play a short audio clip to verify left and right channels and test noise canceling versus transparency so you know features are working. Finish by adjusting audio routing and confirm the AirPods Max are the active output in media controls. Make sure volume is reasonable. If you see dropouts, toggle Bluetooth off and on or temporarily disable Wi-Fi to reduce interference. If pairing fails, reset the headphones. Hold the noise control button and digital crown for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then retry pairing. Finally, keep your Android and phone Bluetooth firmware updated for best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.